Hi teacher, my name is Piero Martín Ávila Guzmán. How is my conversation? Sebas. Hi, excuse me. I am new in the city. Can you help me please? Juan. Of course. Welcome to our city. What are you looking for? Sebas. Thanks. Are there any motions around her? Pedro. Yes, there is motions near the central park. Is next to library and opposite their chore. Sebas, great. Is there a cinema in this area? Juan, no, there isn't a cinema in this part of the city. Is one. Being being the shopping the shopping mall. You can take a bus or well there. Sebas. Nice. I also want to visit some restaurant. Are there many? There, are there many? Pedro. Yes. There is there is a lot of restaurant between the park and the main square. You can find Italian, Chinese, and Local food. Sebas. That sounds perfect. That sounds perfect. Are there any vegetarian options? Juan. There is. Yes, there are some vegetarian restaurants near the library. There aren't many book they are very good. Many there they are very good. Sebas, thank you. Can you tell can you tell me how how to get to the motions? Pedro. Uh, sure. Go straight on this street. Then walk 2 blocks. After the tour, tours left and corner. The motions is on the right next to the library. Sebas, perfect. And about the park? How about the park? Juan is easy. The park is in front of the motions. You can go to her after visiting it. Sebas, thank you. Thank you so much. You are very helpful. Esto sería todo, Miss. Muchas gracias.